Hello everyone! Welcome to a festive edition of Spice and Treats. Holidays are the perfect time to make gingerbread cookies to snack and share. These cookies with their spice and sweet flavor are great served plain or with a layer of icing. We start by making caramel syrup. To a pan, add half cup sugar and heat over medium flame till the sugar melts. The sugar will start turning brown, and when the color becomes dark brown, add 1 cup boiling water to this. Be careful as the water tends to splash. Keep mixing till it reduces to about half cup. Switch off the flame and let it cool. To a bowl, sieve in 2 1/3 cups all-purpose flour, add 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 1/2 teaspoon ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon cloves powder and 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg powder. Also add 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Whisk to mix well. Here, my son is helping me out to get things moving faster. Keep aside. To another bowl, add 1 cup unsalted butter at room temperature and 3/4 cup sugar. Beat at medium speed until it's smooth and fluffy. Add 1 egg and 2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Beat until the egg is fully mixed. Next, add half cup of the cooled caramel syrup. Beat to mix well. Now add the dry ingredients in 2 batches and mix until the dough begins to hold together. Scrape the dough into a ball with a spatula. Split the dough into 2, flatten and wrap in plastic. Here I am repeating it with the second half. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours. After the dough has chilled, dust your surface and rolling pin with flour. Roll the dough to 1/4 inch thickness. Using a cookie cutter, cut out shapes and transfer to a parchment paper lined cookie sheet. Here I have used different shapes to create a more festive variety. Re-roll the leftover dough and continue till it's all used up. Repeat the same with the second half. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 12 to 14 minutes till the edges turn light brown. Here is my first batch right out of the oven. They will darken a little bit as they sit. You can see the cookies are crisp. Let the cookies cool completely if you want to decorate with icing. Here I've decorated few of them. So try these cookies out and they will fill your kitchen with wonderful aroma. These cookies are great for a Christmas cookie exchange and I'm sure your kids will want you to make more. Thank you for watching. Please check the description box below for the list of ingredients. For more delicious videos, please do subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified when I post new recipes. Also, please don't forget to like, share and comment below. I'll see you soon with a new video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.